So in this video, I just want to give you a quick update on a Pinterest account that I started building on this YouTube channel like 2 or 3 weeks ago. And I'll show you, is it still getting monthly views or is it getting any clicks, or am I still posting into this account? So as you can see, I started with a video, then I posted a couple of images and it actually didn't go as well. But as you can see, the fourth video actually got a 1.1 thousand impressions. So it's pretty cool. So it means you can actually get views in this niche, in the nails niche. As you can see, my account is Nails by Amy. I just wanted to name it like a personal. It's just a, hi, I'm Amy, share my favorite nail art inspo. It's just kind of a girl posting about nails inspiration. It's just an experimental account. And if you go to trends.pinterest.com, just like this is actually a pretty cool tool that you can use to check your keywords, to check what niche is ranking and what keywords are ranking pretty good and have interest at the moment. And with the newest feature of Trends, that is predictive future, you can kind of predict what is going to happen with this keyword. So I have chosen nails as a main keyword and it's going actually pretty good. Nail inspo, spring nails. And as you can see, spring nails is about to hit its peak. I think this is probably the best keyword I can use right now. In this video, I'll try to show you how I'm posting. It's been a couple of weeks since I posted last, so it's not a good sign for this account. It's not a good decision I made not to post on this account. But if we go to analytics, you'll see what I mean. If we click on 60 days, let's say, overall, as you can see, I got 12.4 thousand impressions. It's pretty good actually for the amount of pins I uploaded. From this graph, from the impressions graph, that these views, these impressions are not that, consistent. You can get at the beginning of posting, as you can see, I posted probably like 5 or 6 here in this period of time, and I got basically none impressions, and just it started to climb as like crazy, like 900 impressions in one day. So it's pretty cool actually. This is what I always mean by just keep consistent and just keep on posting content, posting pins. The more pins you got, the more home feed you can cover with your videos in this specific niche, the more impressions you will get over time and they'll start compounding. But as you can see, I stopped posting and all of a sudden it started to decline. So it's always the best to just keep on posting and to stay consistent. Of course, you need to choose a niche that you're interested in. So that's why Pinterest Trends can be a good help for you. So if you go over here, you can go by growing trends, seasonal trends. If you want, you can see the top trending keywords. But if you have a specific interest, you can search by those. For example, maybe you're interested in health or gardening or just finance. This is actually a pretty profitable niche, but you need to post like thousands of pins to monetize it. So yeah, if you're interested in betting, maybe sports, just don't forget that majority of audience in Pinterest are women, like 70 or 80% are women. So aim to create content for them. Either it can be architecture, art, beauty, maybe children's fashion. Probably a lot of women are searching for clothes for the children. Baby boy Easter outfit. That sounds pretty niche and also trendy. You can click on predictive future. You can see a spike over here. And of course, as the spring season will come to the end, it will drop, but you can use this. Just think about it and try to avoid niches that are, for example, vehicles. Probably not a lot of women are interested in vehicles and not a lot of women are searching for example, vehicles on Pinterest, So try to avoid these kind of niches. And if you still don't have any idea what niche to choose, you can go to DeepSeek. This is an AI software. It's kind of similar to ChatGPT, but in some ways better. You can go to DeepSeek and ask it, what are the most popular, for example, what are the most popular and profitable niches to go into on Pinterest using affiliate marketing. You can go something like this, click on enter, and wait for DeepSeek to come with an answer and actually with some suggestions. And let's see what DeepSeek is actually suggesting us. Pinterest is a powerful platform for affiliate marketing due to its visual nature and high user engagement. To succeed, it's important to focus on niches that align with Pinterest's audience, which is primarily female dominated and interested in lifestyle, home, fashion, and self-improvement, just as I said before. So below are some of the most popular and profitable niches for affiliate marketing on Pinterest. Number 1 is home decor and interior design. Why it works? So Pinterest is a go-to platform for home inspiration. Affiliate opportunities. You can also search for furniture stores. Maybe they have some affiliate programs. Also, don't forget to use Amazon. You can use Amazon. You can find a bunch of different products for interior design and home decor. Also brands, Etsy, Target, DIY tools and supplies, content ideas, room makeovers, seasonal decor, organization hacks, and budget-friendly DIY projects. This is one of the niches I would be interested in, and this is probably a good niche because imagine a woman just sitting around after like her job in the evening, thinking about her room, and she's kind of want to change something in her house but needs some ideas, and she goes on Pinterest and starts looking at it, like home decor. For example, we can go to home feed and she'll go to home decor ideas just like this, and she'll go through these pins. For example, she'll see, oh, I like this TV stove. Just take a look at this. Oh, I like these flowers, for example. She can browse through these 20 brown decor living room ideas. Sounds pretty cool, yeah? And just take a look at this. All of these items that are in this image, or mostly similar that are in these images, are added to this pin. So if she likes this flower, she can click on this product and she'll be led to this pin. There's this product and she can click on this link and she'll led to this sales page. So she basically can buy this product, and probably the account that suggested here this product, that promoted here this product, will get some commission from this. So it's basically how it works. You need to position yourself that the person who's looking for stuff can find the stuff in your image and can actually buy it. So if she's looking around, maybe on this image, and she can find these products in the image. If you go back to DeepSeek, the second one is fashion and style. So why it works: Pinterest users love fashion, inspiration, outfit ideas, and shopping for trendy clothing and accessories. Also, we can find a bunch of affiliate programs with fashion and clothing. The third one is beauty and skincare. Also, a lot of women are searching for how to take care of your skin. And if you're looking for how to take care of your skin, you're probably wondering what products you can use. So this way you can position yourself to promote products for the skin, some kind of in oils or peelers or whatnot. And content ideas, skincare routines might work super good, makeup tutorials and product reviews. Okay, let's go to the fourth one: health, fitness, and wellness. Fitness is actually pretty popular niche on the Pinterest. Food and recipes. Food and recipes is probably one of the most popular niches on Pinterest. And also you can find a bunch of programs, and you can even create your own digital products, for example, ebooks with recipes, and you can sell them. You also want to have this in mind that digital products are usually more profitable because you don't have to pay shipping or like to make this product. For digital product, you make this product one time and you just basically sell it infinitely. Okay, the sixth one is travel and outdoor adventures. That could be travel booking platforms, luggage and travel, outdoor gear. If you like spending time outdoors, this might be a good niche for you. Also, parenting and kids activities, a bunch of toys. You can find a bunch of toys on Amazon and promote them. Also, personal finance and side hustles. This mainly will be digital products and affiliate programs, like no physical products, which will be a pretty profitable for you, but also might be a more difficult niche on the Pinterest. Wedding and event planning, this is actually pretty good niche, because if somebody is looking for wedding decorations or whatnot, you'll have a high chance of selling that person a product you're promoting. Also, self-improvement and productivity. I wouldn't personally recommend this niche on Pinterest. So tips for success on Pinterest. The DeepSeek also gave us a tips. So let's see, optimize for SEO, use keywords in your pin titles, descriptions and boards to improve discoverability. That's what we always do. Create eye-catching pins, use high-quality images, bold text overlays, and vertical formats. Pin consistently. That's what I tell every video, just pin consistently. Regular pinning helps increase visibility and engagement. Leverage rich pins. Enable rich pins to automatically pull in product details and pricing. That's what we saw in the previous example, that the one pin had all the products from the home decoration pinned to it. Engage with your audience. You can respond to comments and messages to build trust. So yeah, that's basically what you need to know. And the most important part is for you is to choose a niche that you like, and you can stick to it for half a year or even 1 year. Because what's the point of choosing a profitable and a good niche on Pinterest if you're not interested in it and you won't stick to it? Because it takes time, and it will take time for sure. So first and the most important part is choosing a niche. And now once you chose the niche, let's say I chose nails niche, and I will show you how to create content simply. Depending on the niche, you can either post images or video content. But if you chose to post video content, you can go to TikTok and just search for viral videos in your niche. So in my case, it would be spring nails. I can search for videos, for viral videos in spring nails. For example, this video right here, I can click on this, and actually what I can do, I can copy this URL. I can go to Snaptik, and this app will remove any watermarks that TikTok adds. So you basically downloaded this video to your computer. Now just go to Canva. Canva is a paid tool, but you also can use it for free, as I usually do. But of course, you lose a couple of features. So just go to templates, type in Pinterest. Now just click on create a blank Pinterest pin. Because I downloaded a video, I don't want to use any templates that Canva offers. Now by clicking on upload files, you can upload the video or images or any graphics that you downloaded. And now just drag and drop this image onto this blank template. Now the most important part of this process is to not get your account banned. So for copyright, now just click on this video and just mute the volume of this video, because you don't want to use any music that is already on this video. If you want to use any music, you can download it from wherever you want, but make sure it's copyright free, because you don't want to get banned on Pinterest account. Now you can add any text you want, or you can do any frames if you want. I usually just leave it as is. As you can see from my Pinterest pins, the first pin I uploaded, I did like this frame that is zooming in. Also these two images. This one also with the frame. This one just uploaded it, and just take a look at the impressions. Also this one, just uploaded it, and just take a look at the impressions. And now what you want to do is just click on share and download this video. Now go back to your Pinterest account, go to create pin, select the pin that you downloaded from Canva, not from Snaptic, because from Canva the audio is already muted. Now we just need the title, description, and let's see what this video is all about. Just we can copy this, minimal spring nails, can make these letters capital, minimal spring nails, just like this. For the description, we can do something like this, or we can copy this, go to DeepSeek and ask it to create an SEO optimized description. Let's say create an SEO optimized description for my Pinterest pin in this niche, and just paste the title just like this, and just take a look at this. Discover the trendiest minimal spring nail designs for 2024. We can change this to 2025. I have no idea why it says 2024. From soft pastels to dedicated floral accents, these easy nail art ideas. So you basically get the point. We can copy all of this. Also added emojis and keywords, and also it explains why this works. Keyword rich, engaging emojis, call to actions, trend focused, and hashtags. So basically we just need to paste it right here. Of course, don't forget to change the year, just like this, 2025, 2025. Now add some gaps over here and type in credit at, and we need to credit the original creator of this TikTok, because I didn't create this video by myself. This is reused content, so make sure to credit the original creator. And for the link, I will be promoting my medium.com article that I built in my previous video, and this is a spring gel nails long lasting beauty for the season. This is basically on some of the different designs for spring nails, so this article will be perfect for this pin. And I have some products from some affiliate products. As you can see, gel base coat, you can click on this and you can buy this product straight from Amazon. So this is basically already stuffed with affiliate links. And now all I want to do is actually go to Bitly, because I have shortened this link in the previous videos. As you can see, spring gel nails. I just want to copy this one and paste it right here. Now for the board, I already have a board, spring nails, tags, we can type in spring nails, also nails, nail design, a couple of tags, nail art. And just like this, now I can just publish this pin and it will be live on my Pinterest. And as you saw, guys, it's pretty simple to start your Pinterest accounts, even if you don't have any skills with creating any pins or whatnot. So you basically can reuse the content, but of course be careful with it. And don't forget, guys, that I have links in the description down below, and one of the links will lead you to the Ultimate Affiliate Marketing Guide for Beginners. This is a great starting point for you. This is a completely free guide that 251 people already downloaded it. It has a bunch of reviews on it. You can read right here what you learn inside, why this guide is a must-have, who is this for, and you can basically just download it. So don't forget to check out the link in the description down below, and don't forget to comment what you want to see in the next video, like this video, and subscribe for future content, and I will see you in the next video.